Hi, Pauric here at McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2011 Toyota Auris. This is the 1.8 hybrid model, finished in a silver metallic paint. It's got a low annual road tax of €180 and it's taxed up until the end of September. It's NC'd up until February 2024. It's just at its service here at McNally Motors and it's sold with 6 months engine and gearbox warranty. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got front fog lights as standard. It's got the 17-inch multi-spoke alloys with excellent tyres all around. It's got very clean bodywork also. It's got a nice size boot for a hatchback with fold down seat for additional space also. Lots of legroom in the back. It's got the Isofix for the car seats on both sides. It's finished in a black cloth interior. It's got the front armrest, push button start. It's got electric windows. It's got electric fold-in mirrors, multifunctional steering wheel with built-in radio, phone and cruise control functions, CD player with built-in Bluetooth. It's got the air conditioning, manual handbrake. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox, and there's 152,977 kilometers on the clock. This Toyota Auris would make an ideal starter car, so please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and book a test drive. Thanks very much.